Hi, it's Claire. Welcome back to my art journaling channel. So today I'm just doing something a bit different. I'm playing with some alcohol inks. These are Tim Holtz alcohol inks, and I'm going to be playing with them on a sheet of acetate. So I've started off using a colour called Fiesta, and I've watered it down using some isopropyl alcohol, and I'm just using a hairdryer on a very cold setting, and I've just put some drops at the bottom of the page and just blown them upwards. You can get tools that are better for this than this hairdryer. It was a bit fierce, but next I'm going in and using Glacier and doing the same thing. So it's difficult to control where this goes. I mean, I guess I'm quite new to this, so I'm still learning as I go along. But one of the things I do like about alcohol inks is the unpredictability of it. This is a blending solution that I was just adding as well, which just helps to move it all around a little bit. I'm conscious that you can't see very well there, so I do pop it on a piece of white paper. Inspired moment there. And finally, I'm just using a colour called Vineyard, which I'm also dropping onto the page. So I have used a bit of isopropyl alcohol just to water it down, and then I'm just dotting it on and splashing it on and just kind of seeing what pattern I can create. It's quite fun watching how it spreads out. Another nice thing to do is to just splatter some isopropyl alcohol on and watch what that does. That's creates quite a nice effect too. So when you put a new colour on top of the old colours, it pushes the colour out the way. Does create some really pretty effects. And it dries super quickly. So then I was using a sheet of paper underneath and just mapping out some lines where I was going to basically use that as a line guide while I wrote my text. Sorry about that, put my teeth in. And then I just started using a Posca pen, and I'm writing on top of the acetate. I'm writing on the side where the alcohol inks are not, so that you can see more clearly. And then just using that line guide underneath, making sure that my letters reach the top and bottom of the lines. And really, that is all this page is. It's just playing with some alcohol inks on the sheet of acetate and then writing some words on top of it. And then I just use some washi tape and dip it into my journal as just an extra page. And because it's acetate, it's quite thin, doesn't take up a massive amount of space. But there we go, that's the finished article. So maybe you'll have a try using alcohol inks on acetate. See how you get on. Thanks for watching.